Not sure how this goes, if you can hear me alright, but just got a little pop-up kettle, just testing it out now. It's done to boil. It's drawing about 91 amps off the inverter, and then got the induction cooktop from Dune. As per Daniel's advice from its rawbound. Comes with a bag, feels like it's nicely padded actually. So actually this is really well padded. So for camping and touring, like we do, bloody good idea. Anything else in here? No. Here we have the induction cooktop. I don't know if you can see that. The kettle's boiling. It's nice. Took about 2 minutes. So, cooktop, bag, instructions, rubbish. Cord. Be handy if this could reach the inverter, so you don't have to get a lead out or a power board each time. But then again, using this power board might be a good thing because it's got a safety switch on it, so that might be alright. There we go. Yep. So I haven't tried with this, but this is the stove I normally use. This is a Weber stove. Fantastic stove, frying pan. Fantastic little frying pan. Has a removable handle, which is super handy. Really good surface, really easy to clean. And I'll store it in this crash pad bag, which takes it from getting damaged. Alrighty. Turn that on. Mode EO. What's that? I think the pan doesn't work. Troubleshooting. EO, use proper pot. There you go. So if you have a frying pan, she ain't gonna work. That's a bit of a shame. Anyway, because it'll boil nice and hot. It's a pretty handy little unit. Packs down. Nice and small. So yeah. It's pretty hot, but yeah, cool little unit. Hot little unit. Alrighty, take two. Got a German pan here. It's a, I don't know, baccarat. It's just out of the kitchen. So see how you go with the stove. So turn it on, hit the mode button. It's on 1200 watts and no EO. It's getting hot already. I've never used induction before, but it's pretty much too hot to touch now. Just in that short time. it's pretty impressive. So let's give it a go, eh? Not sure if you can hear that. It's already sizzling. That would do. Back 1 sec. Love these crash pad pods. They're so handy. I normally stack them all over here. I've been redoing the back of the car, so taking them out for the moment. Just been doing some rewiring, put the inverter in, made another drawer on the other side, and carpeted it all up, so ready for the next trip. Anyway. So what have we got? So we're on 1200, 14, 16, 18, 2000. 2000 is the maximum. And at 2000 watts on the stove, pulling 78 amps out of the battery. Now the battery is a 200 amp hour slimline high-tech battery. It's got a continuous discharge rate of 250 amps, so got plenty there for it. That's it. Alrighty, so been going for about, I don't know, 8 minutes, maybe? 8, let's call it 10. Bacon's all done. It was averaging around 78 to 80 amps out of the battery at 2000 watts, the maximum. So no doubt you could turn it down. I haven't played with it, it's the first time I've used it. Only time I've ever looked at the instructions is when the other pot didn't work. But say it's 80 amps for 10 minutes. That's only 8 amps out of a 200 amp hour battery. So, you know, that's what, I don't know, not much. 8 amps, 80, 16, so that's about, I don't know, 2.5% or 5, 8, 40, yeah, somewhere around there. So, I don't know, 8 amps out of 200 amp hour battery for your breakfast before you go off for a drive. It's not much, is it? So, like to take wraps when I go away camping. Take up much room. They, you don't get your bread squashed. They tends to last longer. Less likely to go mouldy on you if it's warm and humid. And yeah, I just find them really convenient. Just do a quick taste test with a bacon. You can't go wrong, can you? Mm. Yeah, it's a nice crispy bacon. Kettle took maybe 2-3 minutes. Bacon took about 8 to 10 minutes. So you're all done in 10 minutes. I forget what the amp draw was on the kettle. It wasn't too bad, but with the 3000 watt inverter you can definitely run both of them at the same time, and I'll try that next time, see how it goes. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. But if you've got any suggestions on pans that work well with induction cooktops, it has to have a removable handle so it doesn't take up much space in the car. Let us know in the comments. Drop us the message. Yeah, and see how we go. So, you know, that actually is fairly hot. Oh, turn it off. Still a little bit hot to touch, but I only just took the pan off, so it was blowing warm out around the sides, but it wasn't hot at all. And underneath is not hot either, so having it on a timber worktop is no problem at all. Anyway, hot cool day of success. Chat to you later.